Hey everyone, I'm Brandon from Nagios and welcome back to the channel. Today I got a quick video for you on how to install Nagios Log Server on VMware Workstation Pro. This will be a quick video, so let's get started. Before we get started on downloading and installing Nagios Log Server using VMware Workstation Pro, I want to mention that we do not recommend to use this method in production environments. We recommend that you use the manual Linux install. We'll have a video for that in the description down below. Now to get started, the first thing that we need to do is actually navigate to nagios.com. So here we are at the main website. At the top we can go to products and select Nagios Log Server here. And we'll select our free trial. Now we're going to be using this page for getting the VHD as well for Hyper-V. Since we're going to be using VMware Workstation Pro, we just need to go ahead and scroll down and go to VMware Workstation and download now for this OVA. I already have the OVA downloaded, so now I'm going to switch over here to VMware Workstation. There we go. Click File, click Open, and then we just need to quickly navigate to where our OVA downloaded to. So here is our OVA for this version of Nagios Log Server. So we will click Log Server and click Open. You can name the VM whatever you'd like to name it. For the sake of this example, I'm going to call it Log Server. And at the bottom here, we can select where we want to have our VM saved. I'm going to just leave this default for the sake of this example and then click Import. While this is importing, I'm going to open up our web browser, make it smaller, and open up a new tab so that when we get to Nagios Log Server, we can quickly input the IP address. Now that we have Log Server imported here, you can see that we have some predetermined VM settings. We can change these at our discretion. For the sake of this example, I'm actually going to bump up our RAM up to 8 gigs. Our processor is fine. Our network adapter is also fine. So we'll click OK. I'm going to click Power On. All we're going to wait for now is VMware Workstation to open up the Log Server VM. As you can see here, we have an IP in this banner right here, along with some default credentials that we can use to access the command line interface. All I really want right now is this IP. Back to our desired web browser, we will put in our IP. And here's where we can go through the final installation steps for Nagios Log Server. We can click Install. We're going to be using the free 30-day free trial. I'm going to make the password the same thing as the username. We do not recommend you use this. I'm also going to go ahead and put in a fake email address. We'll be using English as our default language and then select our time zone. Click Finish. Once the installation steps are complete, you're going to go ahead and paste in whatever credentials you set up for Log Server, click Login, and now you are into Log Server. And that wraps up today's video, folks. I hope you found this video useful. If you have any more questions, please visit support.nagios.com where you can find additional documentation. Also, be sure to stop by our YouTube channel for more amazing content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.